So now let's have a look at guardrails. So guardrails are a way for you to filter things based on your requirements to have a more responsible AI. So let's create a guardrail and see the options we have. So this is my demo guardrail. And we have here a message for block prompt. So in case the prompt is blocked, what do you want to return to your user? Here it's going to be, sorry, the model cannot answer this question. And this could apply as well the same message for responses, or you can customize it. Click on next, and now we have options to configure a lot of things. So we could configure content filters, denied topics, word filters, sensitive information filters, and add contextual ground checking. So a lot of different options. So let's configure one of them just so we understand how it works, and look at the other categories. So here, for example, let's filter harmful categories. So here, for example, we have a filter strength to increase the likelihood of filtering harmful content in a given category. So for example, no hate, no insults, no sexual, no violence, and no misconduct. Let's click on next. What topics do we want to deny? So here I'm going to call it recipes. And the definition of a topic is what you want the foundation model to understand what the topic is. So let's say, for example, the topic is food recipes are instructions on how to cook specific dishes. And we can also add simple phrases if we really wanted to allow the AI to understand the type of prompts we're trying to block. But no need for, so let's confirm this. So we have recipes, and then click on next. So do we want to have profanity filter? For example, if someone is using profane words, are they custom words and phrases to be blocked? So you can upload them directly. And then do you want to remove any type of personally identifiable information, PII? So we can say, yes, I want to add a new PII. And for example, remove any type of email. So we'll say mask, and to remove any type of email. And then regex pattern. So any type of information that follows a specific pattern should be removed as well. And then we have contextual grounding. So this is to make sure that you reduce the hallucination. So when the model thinks that it's saying something, it thinks it's true, but it's actually not true. So I won't go into the settings here, but it's called grounding and relevance. So let's create it and create this guardrail. So now the guardrail is created and we can test it. So we can select a model. For example, let's choose Anthropic and Sonnet. And then we say here, please suggest me something to cook tonight. I love Indian food. And let's click on run. And here, as you can see, it's a block topic because we said no food recipes. And the answer we get is, sorry, the model cannot answer this question. Please, let's test it another time. So please draft an email for me. Include my email, stefan@example.com, and also include the other person's email, john@example.com. Make sure we discuss important topics for our next business meeting. So let's click on run. And now we are prompting the model to draft us an actual email. This is great. But what I expect is for my emails to be masked because this is actual information. So as you can see here, the model response included a to stefan@example.com and cc john@example.com with the relevant email. So here it discusses a lot of things. This is great. But the final response has been going through the guardrail. And as you can see, the email has been masked because this was personally identifiable information, but the rest is here. So this is great. We've seen how this guardrail works, and this was a good demo. And I just want to show you another way to test the guardrail. So if you go into text and choose, for example, again, we're going to choose Anthropic Sonnet, apply it. On the bottom here, we can choose a guardrail and apply the demo guardrail. And actually, you can apply many guardrails at a time if you wanted to stack them up. So that's it for this lecture. I hope you liked it. You can leave this guardrail on. It's not going to cost you any money. And I will see you in the next lecture.